some of us are from families that our parents probably do not know God. They are just moralists, they are just okay, they don't take the things of us serious. You now went to school, you have encountered God, you came back with a different kind of fire. You know, they allowed you, they didn't stop you. That looked like the situation of Gideon. So for the angel that appeared to him, it looks to me like he don't have a kind of relationship with an angel. But after that, when the angel appeared, he raised one altar. Gideon was a man of altars. Amen. He raised one altar first. After the angel, the Bible says, and the God spoke to him that they said, this night, because somebody will wake up this night and he will pray. The prayer that will make your life will start from here. The master of prayer will rest from you. You will go home, if you wake you up, you will still pray. And then I said, you say this night, you will go and you will tear down the altar of Baal in your father's house. So, what as I'm speaking now, you will be empowered by the Holy Ghost. A spirit of strong boldness will come upon you. And empowerment specifically for the deliverance of your family will come upon you. And you will take the step that will cause the entire turnaround of your father's house. In the name of Jesus. If you read to 31, Bible said, Judges chapter 6. When it was morning, the Bible said, the men of his father's house, they came out and they saw that their altar was gone. In the name of Jesus, I lift my hand to God whom I serve and whom I am. That altar in your father's house that is not favorable to your life, from here now, we project fire upon that altar. Let it be consumed forever in the name of Jesus. And Bible said when they woke up in the morning, the altar was gone. Then they called a meeting. They began to ask, who did the altar? Gideon was afraid. It is why it is the Spirit of God. Now said, God said, and the Bible said, it is God who works in you both to will and to do. He will just push you to do something. You don't necessarily have the courage at the time, but you are wanted to do it. Look, you cannot always fight to have courage to serve God. It is faith, not necessarily courage. We step out by faith, believing that He will back you up all the way. Bible said, Gideon was afraid. And he said, Gideon, he didn't hide the camp like the fear of the person. Did you know? From the very beginning, when the angel came and said, oh, that mighty man of God, I said, God, you really kill me. Mighty man of God, because at the time they came to say that he was hiding. What are you hiding from? Never after the deliverance of the family, let's go to you. You want to let's say, plus instance. You want to cheat, you do. You want to make a cheat. You tell them, so everything. Have you, who has been in the gym before? Have you entered the gym and you're tempted to use every single machine that is there, every single thing that is there, you want to use? But that's how I did that, they're going to lock my shoulder. It's one iron they used to